Hello students, this is question 2 of paper 2025 time zone 3 AAHL paper 1. 5 marks total. So this question is definitely about the function and some transformation. Let's make observation of this question. So we have to find the value. It's 1 mark for state the domain of inverse function, and the last mark of finding x in such expression. So let's solve it and see how it works. So first of all, we have to find f of -3. Straightforward. -3 is here, and we go to the graph and go to the y-axis, right? So it is -1. So it's -1. It is 1 mark for you. Okay, part B, state domain of inverse function. We know that the domain of inverse function is a range of initial function. So we have to specify the range of initial function here. So it is range is from -3 to 5. Okay, so range here is from -3 to 5, -3 to 5. Okay, so this is a range. This is another 1 mark for you. Okay, and the next question, we have to find the value of f of this equation of x here. We have to find the x here. Okay, first thing, we know that if we consider this expression, it's identically as f of b is equal to a. Okay, and it means that for this our example, we can say that f of -3 is equal to 2x minus 7, and we know that f of -3 is also here, so it's -1, 2x minus 7, and then we have to solve this linear equation. 2x is equal to 6 minus 1, which is 5, and x is equal to 2.5. So this is a final answer for question. So we have to fix it here carefully. So 7, yes, 7 minus 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this is the final answer. Okay, watch my next videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.